In this video, I want to show you how to populate field with the same information at once in QGIS. If you want to populate your field with the same information, instead of entering it one by one, there is a way you can populate it at once without wasting time. Let me show you how to get it done. So in QGIS, I have this layer which is states in Nigeria. So for example, if I open the attribute table, right click and open attribute table. In attribute table, I have the name of each state and the X and Y coordinates. But I know that all these states belongs to Nigeria. If I want to add a field called country, such that I will indicate the country each state belongs to, so that anybody that sees this state will know the country it belongs to. Since all of them are in the same country, instead of adding the country each state belongs to one by one, I can add it at once. So let me show you how to get that done. To do that, you need to create a new field which you want to add the country. So the first thing, put it in editing mode by clicking on toggle editing. Then click on add new field. And let's call the field country. And then the type is going to be text. And the size, depending on the name of the country, let's make it 15 and click on OK. You can see that the field called country has been added. So I want to add the country each of these states falls in, and since all of them are in Nigeria, I will have to add Nigeria to all these rows at once. So instead of entering it one by one, let me show you how to do it. As it is in editing mode, come here, click on the drop down and select the field which is country. Select it. So this field which is country will be equal to, come here, enter single quotes, then write the name of the country, in this case Nigeria, then close the quotes, that is single quotes, that is single open quotes, the country or the name you want to input or the information you want to input, and then close the quotes. Then click on update all. You can see that the country Nigeria has been added to all the rows. So for each state, the country Nigeria has been added. So this is how simple it is to populate a field with the same information at once without entering it manually. This saves time and also prevents error. Then after you have done that, click on save, and then you can now stop editing, and you can see that the country Nigeria has been attached to each state. Thank you for watching.